Fight! Brutality. Finish him! Flawless victory!
Alright. First of all, I didn't actually break my arm. It did hurt a lot, and I guess I'm slightly double jointed, but my arm doesn't normally bend that way. So it was actually a real surprise when we watched the footage and saw just how far it bent backwards. I'm pretty lucky that I didn't actually get hurt, but when we saw that footage, I just had to do the Mortal Kombat edit with the zoom in and the X-ray because I thought that was hilarious. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Anyways, that was just a small taste of the destruction we're going to be doing with Captain America's new shields. If you guys haven't watched that build video yet, it's right there and you should totally check it out. In the meantime, make sure you're subscribed, notifications turned on, because the big test video, well, it's going to be awesome. Infinite power.